Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Afreen Qureshi. I'm an actor and a beauty content creator. Now coming back to this video is about this makeup brush set that I bought from Pack Cosmetics. It's their Synthetic Series 13 brushes kit. So I have basically used a lot of Pack Cosmetics products in the past, especially their brushes. I've been using them for years now and they are of great quality. So I wanted to invest in this kit and do a review for you guys. So let's unbox this quickly and see what we get in this. So this is what the brush set looks like. I feel they have given you a variety of brushes to play around with, and it's not just a good kit for beginners, but it's also a great kit for professionals. Now let's see how they perform. Now for the first step, I'm going to take a moisturizer and prime my face. And I'm using this flat brush from Pack Cosmetics. So this is a great brush for applying your moisturizer, primer, and your foundation. Now next I'm applying the strobe cream. So this brush did really apply my strobe cream and moisturizer really well. Today I'm not going to be using a foundation. I'm just going to be using the concealer. Next I'm using my L'Oreal concealer. And I'm using the concealer brush from the kit. The concealer brush is literally my favorite. You can do everything with just one brush, and I use this all the time in my videos. It's that good. Next, I'm using this blush by K Beauty. Over here, I'm using the blush brush. The shape of it is so perfect that you can use it for blush as well as contour. Now I'm using the same brush for my contour, for which I'm using the Swiss Beauty contour stick. For the highlighter, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm using this tiny brush. As you can see it for yourself, the brushes are performing exceptionally well. So if you want this product, the link will be in my description or comment section. And wait till the end to see my whole review of this kit, whether it's worth it or not. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries or comments regarding the brushes, or if you want me to make another video explaining each and every brush, let me know in the comment section below. So this was the final look, guys, that I created using the brush set. I feel the bristles are of top-notch quality. They are very soft, and if you're a beginner and looking for a kit, this is a perfect kit to go for. Even if you're a professional, this kit will serve you well. I only have one little criticism, that they did not add a spoolie brush. Otherwise, the kit is absolutely perfect. I highly recommend this, so go buy now.